What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm sitting in my 2020 Corvette and I must say this car is incredible. I've had it now for about 6 months and been driving it quite a bit, have over 4,000 miles. There was one small little issue that I was having and it pretty much, I noticed it from day one, and not a huge deal, but it did bother me a little bit. I was getting a little bit of noise from what I thought was the door panel, a little bit of a rattle at highway speeds, and turns out just the other day I was on the Corvette forum and I found an easy fix for it. Apparently there's a TSB out for it, which is, I guess, a technical service bulletin. But anyway, there were some details and instructions in there which showed exactly how to fix this, which was super easy. So I'm about to show you how to do that right now. Turns out the fix for this was very easy. What's happening is this body panel right here, this piece, the part of the boomerang that connects to the car, this tip right here was actually adjusted improperly. Now I don't know if you can see, but there's a bolt back here. It's a Torx T15. Anyway, you can adjust this, or actually loosen it, and then you pull this piece out a little bit to make sure that this piece isn't coming into contact with the body, and you should be good to go. Apparently mine wasn't adjusted properly, so this piece was in contact here, and as you were driving, especially at freeway speeds, the air rushing into here would make this wiggle back and forth just a little bit, coming into contact with the body and creating a little bit of a tapping or rattling noise within the cabin that was pretty annoying. Now, some people may be having issues with this, some people may not, but if you are, like I said, it's a super easy fix. Now, it could be on the driver's side or even on the passenger side as well. So like I said, super easy fix though. Well, that's about it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're checking in for the first time, please subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.